Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. It is no secret that sleep is important to good health. And that's why I love my 100% Egyptian cotton sheets in this luxurious color Sage by Silentnight. It's a beautiful contrast that complements my white comforter and white pillow shams. It has classic elegance. I enjoy the breathable cotton for the summertime when it gets really hot at night. The sheets are so soft and yet durable. They can be washed over and over and have that beautiful softness. My deep pocket mattress is 14 inches and these sheets fit just fine. I appreciate the quality fabrication. All the seams are enclosed, even the inside pillowcase. Since we spend 1/3 of our life in bed, why not invest in quality Egyptian cotton sheets by Silentnight? You will not regret it. I love them, and that's just my point of view.